हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू FPL गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित एंड आई एम जॉइंड बाय द elitest मैनेजर्स मनन छिप्पर एंड राहुल भाटिया एंड
No.
वी विल प्रीव्यू गेम वीक 17 इन फैंटेसी प्रीमियर लीग। हम बात करते थे भाटिया साहब की। आप लोग मजाक समझते होंगे राइट, जब हम बोलते थे कि भाटिया साहब इज एन एलीट मैनेजर बट रैंक इज लाइक 2.8 2 ऐसे ऐसे है। बट
4,
मनन
5.
असली एलीटनेस जो झलक के आ रही है भाटिया साहब की, दैट इज अ साइट टू बिहोल्ड फॉर अस ऑल। इसी
Eighth
बात पे
wonder.
आई थिंक लोगों को लाइक कर देना चाहिए
हाँ,
ये
मतलब
वीडियो
it's
मेरे
it's
हिसाब से।
it's not like you and me are not surprised, right? People might think it's the eighth
या
wonder of the world, but I'm telling you, it is the real first wonder. Again, Bhatia Saab, I think he is as you mentioned, Rakshit, the
ही इज अ
elitist of
वंडर,
all,
ही
right?
इज अ वंडर,
He's just a
ही
wonder,
इज अ
like
वंडर,
wonderful
ही इज जस्ट अ
guy, wonder
वंडर।
manager,
वंडरफुल
wonder
हस्बैंड,
everything.
वंडरफुल सन,
Yeah,
जस्ट अ वंडरफुल
I
ह्यूमन बीइंग
I don't know
ऑल
about all
अराउंड।
of those things. Yeah, but that's not for me to say. But I think yeah, तबाही मचा रखी है हर जगह भाटिया साहब ने and literally हर जगह. Uh,
लेट्स नॉट गो
sorry,
देयर,
sorry,
लेट्स नॉट
sorry.
गो देयर।
But yeah, I think he's having a phenomenal season. The comeback is unreal, and we amongst ourselves have a soon to be FPL
दोस्तों,
champion.
वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाके भाटिया साहब की आप प्रीवियस रैंक्स देख सकते हो। मतलब
Yeah.
वहां पे आप खुद देख लो जाके, आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा। और अगर आप जब जब देख लोगे रैंक, तो आपको एक टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक भी मिल जाएगा, जो FPL गपशप का टेलीग्राम चैनल है, जहां हम डिस्कशन करते हैं। तो वो भी जाके आप ज्वाइन कर ही लो, राइट। भाटिया साहब वहाँ पे पोस्ट नहीं करते हैं, बट हम ट्राई करेंगे कि भाटिया साहब अपने एलीट टिप्स वहाँ भी देते हैं। बट हाँ, जनरली गो फॉलो इट, वहाँ पे हम बैंटर करते हैं। But Manan, I think enough said. Over to the great man himself, Bhatia Saab. 82 fucking points. Wow. Wow. Just wow.
सर बिफोर आई
Wow.
गो थ्रू माय टीम आई वांट टू नो मैंने किस
Wow.
मुहूर्त में साइन अप किया था इस पॉड के लिए. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एग्रीड टू डू दिस बट वी आर हियर. वी हैव टू पुट
Did
अप
you
विद दिस
agree?
शिट एवरी वीक.
Did he agree, Bhat Rakshit? Did he agree?
आई थिंक आई वाज फोर्स्ड टू डू दिस
इनकी
पॉड
इनकी
और
फैमिली
ये
गन पॉइंट पे है।
Yeah.
फैमिली गन
बिल्कुल
पॉइंट पे अभी।
बिल्कुल
या
दैट इज नॉट द राइट स्टेटमेंट टू यूज
Yeah,
स्पेशली
that is not Rakshit.
इन द करंट
डेफिनेटली नॉट द
सर्कमस्टांसेस।
राइट. Yep, but it is what it is. 82 points, decent week. 4-5 प्लेयर है जो पॉइंट देते हैं.
Decent
साका,
week?
फोर्डन.
Decent week? You
Decent
made
week?
what? Wait. Sorry. Let me hijack
लोगों
this.
के चिप्स के बाद नहीं आए इतने पॉइंट्स।
Wait, and he used one transfer out of his 5. What the fuck is a decent week?
भाई ट्रांसफर यूज करने की कोई गारंटी नहीं है पॉइंट्स की. ट्रस्ट मी, व्हेन आई यूज माय ट्रांसफर्स आई एम नॉट गोना गेट पॉइंट्स.
This guy,
यही तो
man.
आपकी एलीटनेस शाइन करती है।
Yeah.
सर मैं
Wonder.
ट्रांसफर बचा के दे दूंगा, आप लोग को ले लो. कोई फायदा नहीं ट्रांसफर रखने का, उसको मत गिनो. सबके पास ये 4 प्लेयर है, ब्रूनो, फोर्डन, साका, हालैंड. यू कैप्टन वन ऑफ देम.
Not
आई
everyone.
एम
सबके पास नहीं होता भाटिया साहब.
दैट इज द रियल एलिटनेस कि
अगर
आप
आप
अवे फ्रॉम द क्राउड जाके कर दो. दैट
नहीं,
इज
बट
दैट इज अ मार्क
अगर
ऑफ
आप
अ
देखोगे ना,
चैंपियन.
इफ यू सी कि ब्रूनो, फोर्डन, साका, तीनों प्लेयर्स कितने मैनेजर्स के पास है, इट विल बी प्रोबेबली लेस देन 10%, प्रोबेबली बी लेस देन 5%
It will be
ऑफ
less
ऑल
than
द मैनेजर्स इन द
3%.
गेम।
Yeah, less
या
than 3%. Yeah.
आई थिंक
वी
10% होगा.
अज्यूम लोगों के पास है, बट नहीं होते हैं
Let me check if I
तीनों
can.
प्लेयर एज अ कॉम्बो।
लाइव एफपीएल पे मिल जाएगा आपको.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But as a Saka captainer, I think definitely very lucky with the assist. But Haaland triple captain किया मैंने for a blank, so I think it makes up for it somewhat. Maybe I can say that. My stubbornness made me not remove Mateta. मेरे को लगा City के against chance मिलेगा और कुछ करेगा. Didn't do much. Thiago has been disappointing. Was it home to Leeds? हम सब double digit haul expect कर रहे थे. We thought he was the second best captaincy option. और जेन्युइनली लग भी रहा था उसका होम फॉर्म इतना अच्छा है. हर होम गेम में पेनल्टी मिलती है, इस बार नहीं मिली. सो दैट वाज डिसअपॉइंटिंग. आई थिंक ब्रूनो का हॉल थोड़ा लकी था. ही इज नॉट स्कोरिंग दोस फ्री किक्स एवरी वीक. गोल थ्रेट, ओपन प्लेस अभी भी कम लगता है. हालैंड, फोर्डन इज इन सम इनसेन फॉर्म यार. 4 गेम्स इन अ रो. एवरी शॉट फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ द बॉक्स. कॉन्फिडेंस में खेल रहा है. लो एक्सजी शॉट्स भी जा रहे हैं. हालैंड इज हालैंड. व्हेन यू ट्रिपल कैप्टन विल नॉट डू मच, बट बाकी हर हफ्ते गोल मारेगा. सो that's how it is. Actually, मेरे main points I would say have come from Chalobah, who's been exceptional for me. हम लोग बात कर रहे थे लास्ट 8-9
Second
हफ्ते में
highest
7 रेटेड थे.
point scoring defender in the game now.
Yeah,
Out of
he's been
nowhere,
really
he's just
good.
crept up there. Yeah.
मैं उसको वाइल्ड कार्ड 6 पे लेने वाला था. I missed him. उसके बाद 8-9 में लिया. First week Sunderland home 1 point. That was very disappointing. I think Chelsea lost that game. उसके बाद से random clean sheets away at Spurs, इधर उधर एक गोल आ गया against Arsenal. So he's been really good. Defcon देता है. And एक
Did you
transfer
remove Van Dijk to get Chalobah?
I don't remember, but might have.
I think
I
you
might-
did. Yeah.
Might have. Van Dijk or
Played
Romero.
off really well. Yeah.
It has, and I removed Senesi for Nico Riley this week. Long term pick चाहिए था मुझे, and I think ये हफ्ते clean sheet थोड़ी lucky थी. Palace definitely should have scored, had more than 2 XG if I'm not wrong.
It was Van Dijk, yeah. Yeah.
So lucky clean sheet, and and keeper मैंने transfer नहीं किया. I don't know why I didn't do that, because मुझे लगा Pope had a small chance of playing, शायद खेल लेगा. But none of the keepers really did much this week other than Sanchez. 1 point is 1 point, but 82 points. I think I went from 1.6 million to 1.2. So a good jump, and happy with it.
4.8% of people overall have Bruno, Foden, and Saka.
Yeah. That's
Nice.
insane. Yeah. मैनन हमने भाड़े साहब की बहुत तारीफ कर दी. आप 3 पॉइंट पीछे हो बस, by the way. And you
हाँ,
have
और
better
रैंक
rank.
में आधा मिलियन ऊपर, रैंक में आधा मिलियन ऊपर है. सो
और
जो भी
मैंने
मेरी
5
तारीफ थी was
transfers किए and I'm
completely unwarranted.
Wait.
तो ये जो आपकी hypocrisy है
मैंने
ना,
5
Exactly.
just shows you the kind of shit person you are.
Completely agree. मेरी जो तारीफ हो रही थी ना मनन की, वही तारीफ है. Is the lousiest person on the planet. आपको
Absolutely.
दिखेगा.
lovely. Shall I? So अगर
दोस्तों comments में
79
बताओ
points
how
के
shit-
rights
how shit is Manan as a person. Comments में बताओ जाके.
as a person you should have asked the manager. They don't know me
FPL
as a
मैनेजर तो
person.
सर आप elite हो ना, तो उसपे तो कुछ
सर आप FPL मैनेजर ठीक हो. You're a worse person than your FPL manager.
That's a compliment.
We all can agree.
That's what I
We
care
all can
about.
agree with
I
that.
want to be a good FPL manager.
Yeah,
That's all I
that's-
care
that's
about.
You are
I
a
don't
good
care
FPL
about
manager.
anything.
You have to be
We
very.
wish you could be a good
you-
person as well.
भाटिया साहब, you have to be like a shit person to win FPL, I think.
Yeah, I
Absolutely
agree.
shit person. That's why I think मुझे लगता है मनन जीत जाएगा इस बार.
That's why you're also
That's why I will never
turning
win
into
FPL.
me. No, that's why you're turning
भाटिया
into
साहब ने
me.
अपने आप को अच्छा पर्सन डिक्लेयर कर दिया by the way.
खुद से. Anyway,
I just said I'm
so
never winning FPL.
yeah. Coming to the team, I used all of my 5 transfers. Four of them have been good. The fifth one not so much, and the fifth one was Eze, who I brought in for the Wolves fixture. I just thought second best Arsenal asset है मेरे लिए in that game, and I forgot कि चोपड़ा सर also ने own करते हैं, and maybe वहीं थोड़ा सा influence आ गया होगा चोपड़ा सर का मेरी टीम पे, but
I
I'm
hope you have
glad-
learned your lesson.
no, I have learned that, and I'm gonna keep him because you're gonna remove him, right? We'll see
I
ahead.
removed it.
But yeah, again, decent week. जैसे भाटिया साहब ने decent word किया, I'll also use decent week. Saka, Foden, Bruno, Haaland all kicking on with points. Disappointed with Eze and Thiago सबके पास है. It doesn't matter. Van Dijk with 6, Nico Riley with 6. Really like it. Anderson, I regret the transfer थोड़ा सा because it doesn't look like they're gonna keep a clean sheet. They're conceding 2 to 3 big chances even at home, even in the easier fixtures. So I'm not so confident on that Anderson pick. Otherwise, the team is fine. Timber started. Really wanted him to play क्योंकि bench है ही नहीं मेरी. Yeah, Captain Saka 11 points. Got really lucky with those 2 assists. So yeah, really happy. But let's see आगे मतलब कि hit लेने का मैं सोच रहा हूँ. So that you'll see in the next section.
Yeah. So stick around, guys, and इन दोनों elite managers के लिए please hit the like button because a dross of shit is about to hit your screen. That is my team. These two had decent weeks. I had a great week, by the way. 67 points. Surprised to know because I'm such a shitty rank I still got a green arrow. But हाँ, 67 points is fine. Bruno Fernandes के पहले मैं red पे था. Bruno के बाद it became into a small green because he's still 27% owned. हम assume करते हैं लोगों के पास है, but only 27% manager owned him before last night's haul. देखो मेरी आप लोगों की टीम में कैप्टन का फर्क है मेरे हिसाब से. तो जैसे आप लोगों के पास साका था, मेरे पास आई हैड बोवन, सो वहां पे 2-3 पॉइंट का फर्क है बस. 8 पॉइंट्स ही गेम में. ही वाज वन ऑफ माय ट्रांसफर्स. ऑलवेज वांटेड टू गेट बोवन. इनिशियली मुझे लाना था. आई गॉट स्वेड बाय न्यूकासल के 2 होम फिक्सचर्स, तो इनिशियली ले आना चाहिए था, बट वेरी हैप्पी विद बोवन. ही इज जस्ट गोना टिक अलोंग फाइन इन एवरी फिक्सचर. Thiago was shared. Haaland 13 points. Dewsbury Hall got injured. One of my transfers. Just the way my season is going, कुछ कर नहीं सकते इस मैच में. लास्ट मिनट बनन से मैंने पूछा था कि ड्यूसबरी हॉल जाका में से क्या खिलाऊं, एंड मेरे को जस्ट फीलिंग थी कि एवर्टन हाँ निकाल सकती है. मेरे को तो लगता है कि एवर्टन का थोड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस भी मतलब कम हो गया आफ्टर ही वेंट ऑफ इंजर्ड, क्योंकि ही सच एन इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेयर फॉर देम. सो वहाँ पे मुझे लगता है दे सफर्ड अ लिटिल बिट. One pointer, I have to remove him now. Foden, I got him in. I could get in one of Saka Foden, so I got in Foden. Both got same points. But the way he's playing right now, जैसे भाटिया साहब ने कहा, everything, he's just on it right now. He's on it, absolutely on it. Bruno was one of my better transfers 3 weeks ago. Again, Bhatia Saab ne jaise bola, he was a bit lucky, but he has been very unlucky this season. So I think it's evening out a little bit. Eze was my captain. I still stand by it. मुझे लग रहा था कि ये easy best fixture in the game. मुझे लग रहा था कि Arsenal का he's gonna start. He started. Arsenal का second best option है after Saka, which I think he was, but no one did anything in the Arsenal match, to be honest. So he got subbed off at 57 points. Clearly, I think manager trust नहीं करता है उसे fully. अगर इतने कम minutes दे रहा है, so I think he's a long-term problem. But it's okay. I have no regrets about the captaincy because ये easily एक low owned player हो सकता था जो goal assist इस type से returns दे सकता था. The idea, it's fine. I'll move on with it. Timber clean sheet, wipe out. हम Arsenal defense की बात करेंगे, but थोड़े से concerning signs है currently. But Gabriel Saliba are both about to be back in the near future. O'Reilly with a very, very, very lucky clean sheet, I would say. Alderete with a very deserved clean sheet, I would say, and a bonus point. 7-pointer. So that's, I'm happy I played him over Livramento. Vicario is a long-term keeper pick. I'm expecting 6 to 7 blanks out of 10. 7 blanks out of 10. They were absolutely horrible, absolutely disgusting. I just want ki every 3 or 4 weeks he gives me like a haul. So I'm just waiting for that haul. Maybe it comes against Liverpool, but let's see. There are rumors ki Tottenham may sign a keeper in Jan. So let's see how that plays out. Because it will be that bad. Pehla goal to it was a 50-50 mistake between Vicario and Archie Gray. I think he was definitely at fault, but let's see how it goes. Tottenham are a weird team.
It was Vicario's mistake. It was a really bad pass.
Yeah, it was a bad pass. It was a bad touch, but yeah, let's just see. I kept Calafiori in my team, so he's gonna come back and let's see how it goes. But हाँ, primarily captaincy ने मेरे को वो कर दिया. अगर मेरा इनमें से एक भी कैप्टन होता, by the way, ब्रूनो, फोर्डन, हालैंड, जो मेरे अदर 3 ऑप्शंस थे, तो I would have been around again your scores basically. That's the only thing. तभी कहते हैं captaincy is so important. जैसे I discovered last week with my team as well. But ठीक है, small green arrow. At least no red तो नहीं है. फिक्सचर डिफिकल्टी रेटिंग आ चुकी है हमारे स्क्रीन पे दोस्तों, और ये है गेम वीक 17 से 21 के बीच में फिक्सचर्स जो है. द इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग मनन हियर इज कि वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फिक्सचर्स एंड लॉट ऑफ फिक्सचर्स इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. सो ये जो 4-5 फिक्सचर्स हैं, दिस विल ऑल बी प्लेड आउट ओवर आई थिंक अराउंड 18-20 days, राइट?
Yeah.
So my question to you is कि अब you look at teams like United, Newcastle, West Ham, even Brentford, even Everton, जो आपके सबसे टॉप 5 में है. जेन्युइनली अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि इन पांचों में से आप एसेट निकालो, आप मुश्किल से 2-3 नाम ले पाओगे. And on the other hand, you look
Only
at Man
talismans.
City,
Yeah.
you look at Liverpool, you look at Arsenal, for example, you look at Chelsea, who are at the bottom. They probably have more assets than these teams at the top. So how do we like broadly interpret this FDR for the next 5?
No, again, मतलब again, this is basically थोड़े obviously teams है इसमें, but हम players लाते हैं, थोड़ा आपको specific player पे focus करना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. जैसे आपने मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड की बात करी, अगेन वी नो ब्रूनो इज गोना प्ले he's gonna play 90 minutes. We know न्यूकासल again another the Bruno G, he'll mostly play 90 minutes, although उसको बीच में रेस्ट मिला हुआ है लास्ट टाइम जब थोड़ा मिडवीक गेम्स थे. But again, so if you are bringing in players, make sure they are reliable 90-minute guys. इंजरी हो सकती है, बहुत चीजें हो सकती हैं. अगर एक नॉक भी आता है, if a player misses a week, that's like 2 game weeks right now. So that's where I feel like you go for the tried and tested 90-minute guys. And again, if they don't perform, they don't perform. But I don't think you should take risk with minutes players. Again, Eze is a prime example of that. अभी भी इतना fixture congestion नहीं था. He was getting 57, 60 minutes, 45 minutes. in this period I don't know उनके minutes के साथ क्या होगा, right? So similarly बहुत सारे ऐसे players हैं जो I can see people are targeting, but I just feel you should be wary of players' minutes. Yeah.
ओके भाटिया साहब, इफ यू गेट इनटू स्पेसिफिक टीम्स और प्लेयर्स की अगर आप बात करें, तो व्हाट एसेट्स, व्हाट टीम्स, व्हाट प्लेयर्स आर यू लुकिंग फॉर? क्योंकि अब आप नेक्स्ट 2-3 तो देखोगे, 2-3 गेम वीक्स एटलीस्ट एक साथ, बिकॉज इतने शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में, राइट?
Yeah, I think ये जो टॉप ऑफ द टेकर है मेरे लिए थोड़ा मिसलीडिंग है. आई एम नॉट श्योर आई एग्री विद इट. यूनाइटेड की अगर मैं बात करूँ, विच इज मैन यूनाइटेड, away to Villa should be a red. It can't be a grey. And even home to Newcastle is not a straightforward game at all, because मैं आपको 2 reason देता हूँ. Villa are excellent at home, आप जानते हो. I think they've lost like 1 game this season at home, and even in general their form in the league has been absolutely spectacular. And secondly, United, even though goals maar rahi hai, but they're losing Ahmad, they're losing Mbuemo, they're losing Mazraoui, Casemiro suspended for the next game as well. So it's a very depleted United team. I will not be surprised if United don't score in that game and Villa win 2-0. I'm actually expecting that. So for me, United next 2 weeks is not the best fixtures. 19 to 21 I really like. Wolves at home, Leeds away, Burnley away. On paper it looks good. Maybe you can double up on United mids or couple of United players. Maybe with Acuna, but Bruno I think आप आराम से hold कर सकते हो. I would not advise buying anyone for the next 2. Same with Newcastle, because Newcastle के पास clear assets नहीं है. Bruno जी है, but I'm not 100% convinced on his FPL potential. And again, next 2 fixtures are deceiving. Chelsea home, United away. It's not straightforward. It's not something जहाँ पे आप balls expect करोगे. और Eddie Howe rotate करता है. Like कोई game Gordon खेलता है, कोई game Barnes खेलता है. Ilanga plays out of nowhere. So it's really hard to nail if they have a talisman. I don't even know whether they have a talisman. So it becomes tricky. Manan जो बोल रहा था जैसे get the nailed players, I completely agree with that. So Newcastle में वैसे nailed 90-minute players जो हर game खेलेंगे, other than Bruno Guimaraes जिसका goal threat is debatable. So
Very high.
Yeah. So in fact I like players like जो Chelsea के picks है. Like Enzo is not a very different player from Bruno in terms of the role he plays जहाँ पे खेलता है, but he gets more chances जितने आप highlights देखोगे. He's not delivered over the last few weeks, but he's more nailed on. Chelsea at home.
Do you think भाटी साहब पाल्मर के आने के बाद थोड़ा एंजो as an asset effect होगा?
Palmer कितना खेलने वाला है यार? He's not playing every week. Firstly, he's playing 60-70 minutes every week. We don't know whether Enzo is still probably on penalties as well, so that might benefit him.
Palmer will take penalties most likely. जब वो field
then when he's on the pitch, if he's on the pitch, definitely.
Yeah.
But I feel that Palmer के आने के बाद Chelsea as a team will play better, so that might lead to more goals and a goal share for Enzo as well.
Yeah, and कल मैं मनन से बात कर रहा था about Arsenal. It's a very deceptive, मतलब third lowest है अगर आप देखो currently over the next 5. But अगर आप fixtures में घुसोगे, right? Everton away, which is a toughish match, but there is no Grealish, there is no Dewsbury Hall, there is no NDI who's going to AFCON, there is Idrissa Gueye again who's going to AFCON. So अगर आप this match suddenly becomes like okay for them. Brighton have been shit away from home. They've been absolutely shit. Villa अपने home पे बहुत सही है, away from home इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. And I think there'll be like a sort of a motivation revenge thing also Arsenal के लिए, because the way they lost away at Villa Park. Bournemouth away, I don't think it's a tough match. They have, I think, not won a single match in the last 8 or something. They're not on a good run. Defensively, they're really struggling. And Liverpool at home. Again, मुझे लगता है कि Liverpool are a team जो proper transition में थोड़े signs दिखाती है कि हाँ they're back, but they're still struggling, right? So that is also not like Liverpool of last season, for example. So मेरे को तो एक भी मैच कोई ऐसा बहुत टफ नहीं लग रहा आर्सेनल के लिए भी. And you can go for defensive assets, you can go for attacking assets. आप किसी के लिए भी जा सकते हो. As far as Arsenal are concerned. Liverpool की बात करो, अब look at the next 3. Tottenham away, great match for attackers, right? Even defenders मैं तो बोलूँगा. Wolves at home, Leeds at home. You can definitely go to Liverpool if you want to go. You can go Ekitike, you can go Van Dijk if you want, you can go Szoboszlai if he's fit. So you can definitely go there. So ये teams है जो नीचे हैं. Palace, मतलब हम we keep saying Palace नहीं कर पाएगी, but you can not go wrong with Palace defenders at any point. Sunderland अपने home पे एक अच्छा करती रहेगी against every team. हमने देखा फिर से they are unbeaten at home in the Premier League this season, which is insane. They are a promoted team. So ये जो नीचे वाली काफी deceptive है FDR.
obviously,
But I
again,
think as Manan said,
I'll
we
just
should look at assets
yeah.
rather
Also,
than teams,
it's
right?
also again the color coding and everything is based on the FPL website, right? So again, थोड़ा सा वो into context भी होता है कि it's not a dynamic FDR, it's more of a FDR जिसमें it's just the colors are already decided before, and how a team plays over the course of a season उतना change होता नहीं है.
Yeah.
So that is thing, but yeah, we should focus definitely on the assets and yeah, get reliable
Okay.
players.
Okay. Let's look at the matchups एक बार इस वीक के लिए. अगर लेफ्ट पे दोस्तों आपको दिखेगा अटैक, जहाँ पे आपको गोल्स प्रोजेक्टेड दिखेंगे ऑन द राइट कॉलम, और राइट में आपको क्लीन शीट के परसेंटेज ऑड्स दिखेंगे. सो अनसरप्राइजिंगली आर्सेनल आर नंबर 1 अगेन, बोर्नमथ नंबर 2 ऑन द राइट, मैन सिटी आर नंबर 3, देन देयर इज ब्राइटन, ब्रेंटफोर्ड, फुलहम. बट अगर आप गोल स्कोरिंग की बात करो भाटिया साहब, सिटी आर लाइक हेड एंड शोल्डर्स अवे above any other team this week. Then you
Yeah.
have Bournemouth, and then you have some other teams, right? So City assets. Would you say captain a City player this week?
Definitely, I think nailed on captaincy. Captain Haaland. I wouldn't even say captain anyone else because highest ceiling uska unless you want to chase and risk variance. Captain of Foden, hoping Haaland gets one goal and Foden gets a massive return. But I think Haaland captain is a safer play. Double City attack, definitely worth it for this week and even upcoming fixtures. Potential है. And हम बात कर रहे थे फोर्डन इज लाइक अ फॉर्म प्लेयर. हालैंड इज रिलायबल, हर हफ्ते आपको एक गोल दे देगा. हालैंड की कोई इशू नहीं है, बट फोर्डन इज समवन हु इज लाइक अ फॉर्म प्लेयर. लास्ट 1-1.5 साल कुछ नहीं किया, बट लास्ट 4 वीक्स ही इज बैंग्ड एंड द वे ही इज प्लेइंग इज he looks on it like you said. So definitely get him if you still don't have him. I like Shirky also, like not as explosive as a Foden, but he plays very well. Quality दिखती है player में and assist potential massive उसका.
Manan, I think the only debate this week captaincy में is which City player do we captain, because
Yeah.
जैसे भाटिया साहब ने कहा Haaland is the safe one, but Foden की जो form है, it's undeniable the form he's in right now, and there
Yeah, I
is
agree.
definitely a case for saying कि अगर आप chase कर रहे हैं, मतलब he's definitely someone you should can consider in your team also. So
Yeah,
depending on
definitely.
how West Ham set up, how West Ham play, the kind of goals they concede, the sort of system they have, would you say Haaland is better, या would you say Foden पे punt ले सकते हो आप?
अगेन थोड़ा यार वो तो अगेन डीप डाइव करना पड़ेगा, बट फ्रॉम एन आई टेस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आई
But
हैव
you're the
वॉच्ड अ लॉट
expert.
ऑफ थैंक यू, आई हैव वॉच्ड अ लॉट ऑफ वेस्ट हैम गेम्स एंड एग्जैक्ट स्टैट्स तो मुझे अगेन एज आई सेड देखने पड़ेंगे, बट I just feel कि Foden actually might be good for this match again because the center backs or again the players like Paqueta and उनके जो central defensive midfielders है वो थोड़ा सा again they'll go towards occupying Haaland, right? And then that's where sort of spaces can come for the likes of Foden and Cherki. I don't think Doku is back for this game. He is injured, तो वो देखना पड़ेगा because अगर वो होते तो डेफिनेटली एक और सॉर्ट ऑफ लेफ्ट साइड से वो अटैक होता है जहाँ पे प्लेयर्स गेट ड्रैग्ड ऑन टू डोकू, राइट? सो और स्पेस क्रिएट होती है फॉर द लाइक्स ऑफ हालैंड, बट आई अगेन मेरे लिए थोड़ा इजियर है दिस वीक बिटवीन हालैंड एंड फोर्डन. मुझे ऐसा पर्सनली लगता है हालैंड स्टिल बेटर इन टर्म्स ऑफ अगेन पेनल्टी उनके पास है, एंड अगेन इफ ही इज गोना गेट द मेजॉरिटी चंक ऑफ चांसेस. आप कितना ही बात कर लो, all the goals Foden has been scoring, obviously he can continue to score goals, but majority of them are like outside the box, left bottom, right bottom, right? He's taking headers. He'll continue to do so, but I just feel Haaland is significantly the better option. Again, if I ask you guys, City ने 3 goals score करे, your mind will automatically go towards, let's say, okay, it might be 2 Haaland and 1 Foden, and that's all मेरे head में is कि I need for this sort of a fixture I'll personally go Haaland captain.
That's not been the case in the last 4-5 weeks though.
I agree.
कि 3 गोल मारे और ऑटोमेटिकली 2 हालैंड एट फोर्डन हो. अगर आप देखोगे फोर्डन का गोल कंट्रीब्यूशन इट हैज बीन मोर देन हालैंड ओवर द लास्ट 5 वीक्स. सो देयर इज अ डिबेट टू बी हैव, बट आई एग्री हालैंड इज द सेफर
Also Foden
ऑप्शन,
को
बट
assist के
आपको
points
रिस्क लेना
मिलते
है,
हैं.
फोर्डन जा सकते हो. या
Foden को assist के points मिलते हैं, more assist threat definitely than Haaland.
True.
5 points for a goal compared to 4 clean sheet points. So अगर FPL points की बात कर रहे हो तो it's not that far off. Haaland 2 goals and Foden 1 goal. It's not that far off.
Exactly. Absolutely. If you talk about a type of player जिसने 2 गोल मारे थे against West Ham, Morgan Rogers. That is the sort of pockets जहाँ sort of Foden भी operate करता है. And if you talk about scoring from outside the box, Foden is also capable. He gets that space center backs और midfield के बीच में. So मेरे ख्याल से viable alternative है अगर आपको जाना है तो chase करना है तो. भाटिया साहब आपसे पूछूंगा बट आर्सेनल नंबर 1 है क्लीन शीट पे परसेंटेज बट बहुत डिसअपॉइंटिंग रहा है फॉर पीपल हु हैव ओन्ड एटलीस्ट डबल आर्सेनल डिफेंस राइट पीपल लाइक अस. नाउ दिस मैच में हमने बात करी है कि एवर्टन के अटैकिंग प्लेयर्स नहीं है बहुत सारे बट स्टिल समहाउ आर्सेनल फाइंड अ वे टू कंसीड अ गोल. लाइक वुल्व्स एट होम तो नेल्ड ऑन क्लीन शीट थी भाई. मतलब दिस इज नॉट द सेम आर्सेनल जो एक भी शॉट ऑन टारगेट तक नहीं कंसीड करी थी इनिशियली इन द सीजन राइट. बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स अनअवेलेबल हैं. गैब्रियल सलीबा का सेंटर बैक पार्टनरशिप दोनों ही नहीं है तो वो डेफिनेटली अफेक्ट करा है टीम को. सो हाउ डू वी लुक एट आर्सेनल डिफेंस गोइंग फॉरवर्ड कंसिडरिंग कि ये लोग आने वाले हैं बट स्पेशली इन दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ मैच. आप जैसे फ्री हिट पे हो हम आपकी फ्री हिट की बात करेंगे. व्हाट्स योर जनरल सेंस ऑफ आर्सेनल डिफेंस?
I still think Arsenal defense is very good. अगर आप लास्ट 6 हफ्ते की बात करो, I think they've got one clean sheet that was home to Brentford. But बाकी के मैचेस में भी their XG conceded is not that much. It's around the 0.4, 0.5 mark जितना वो concede करते हैं, which is elite, right? So that is really good. Unfortunate circumstances हुए like that Richarlison goal, Spurs के against किधर से मार दिया, half line से मार दिया. So 0.03 XG से अगर आप concede कर रहे हो, so that has to be unfortunate. And for this week especially, I like the Arsenal defense. Arsenal attacks Wolves के against भी free flowing नहीं था. They struggled to score or break down even a bottom team like Wolves. So attack इतना bullish नहीं है, but I think this is a great game for a clean sheet for Arsenal. Everton has three of the front four missing most likely, and Everton वैसे भी इतनी high scoring नहीं है. So I feel this is a sort of game जहाँ Arteta will keep his team compact. वैसे भी रखता है वो सबके साथ and get a goal or two and just close out the game quite comfortably.
Yeah, I think David Moyes गंदा वाला low block लेके आएगा इस मैच में. Go on.
Arteta भी वही लाता है, so he'll nick a goal and he'll keep possession. That's it.
Do you guys think कि again we have talked about City, we have talked about Arsenal, but हम free hit पे बात करेंगे specific picks की भाटिया साहब की टीम के, which is by the way it's an elite free hit team. We'll see that. But I want to ask is does it look like थोड़े से goal scoring odds rest of the teams काफी कम है इस week? And do you
मैं
guys
actually
have
बोलने वाला था कि Brentford के goal scoring odds playing Wolves 1.5 है. I thought they'll be around the 2 mark. काफी
but
कम लगा Brentford का मुझे.
Yeah, but they are playing away now. Again, their home and away is quite different in terms of.
In fact, that's true. But if you see Wolves now, they've conceded more goals at home rather than away. So Wolves,
but
they have to win this match, right? They have to go for it, and Brentford will get spaces, right? तो आराम से पढ़ सकते हैं. But Brentford are not playing well also. But I agree with you, भाटिया साहब. फिर भी मैं थोड़े से ज़्यादा expect कर रहा था. But it's still Brentford, right?
Yeah.
Bookies Brentford जैसी टीम को बहुत ज़्यादा वो नहीं देते हैं. मतलब इतना फेवर नहीं करता away from home.
और मेरे हिसाब से विला के भी काफी कम है. Seeing how United defend, United doesn't have a midfield. Villa should have been again close to 1.9 to 2.1 as well for me. Home form and the opposition that you're playing. Liverpool, I can't read them. Yeah. Like they look solid defensively. Are they as good going forward? But last couple of games, Ekitike is getting all the XG. Is finishing also is very good. So he could be a great pick.
पता नहीं away from home ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकता अभी भी लिवरपूल को आप. और टॉटनहम हमारा वियर्ड टीम. हर मैच में क्या आने वाला है टॉटनहम से हमें नहीं पता है. हर वीक नैरेटिव चेंज होता है हर वीक. सो पता नहीं क्या होगा. आई डोंट थिंक लास्ट सीजन वाला हाई स्कोरिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ मैच जो हो रहे थे जहां एंज था एंड लिवरपूल ऑफ फ्लाइंग वैसा होगा. हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि हाँ यार अभी 3 खाए अगेंस्ट फॉरेस्ट टॉटनहम ने. लिवरपूल क्लिक कर रही है थोड़ा बहुत एंड व्हाटएवर. आई डोंट सी इट हैपनिंग दैट वे. आई थिंक थोड़ा सा केजी होगा मैच. I don't know what will happen in this match. Yeah. Chelsea Newcastle is probably a match you stay away from in a free hit, Bhatia sahab.
Yeah, because both teams can.
Don't know what will happen. Yeah.
Newcastle are good at home. Their form is picking up, but FPL wise standout asset नहीं जैसे मैं बता रहा था Newcastle. You don't know who to get. Chelsea again, Palmer आया है तो it makes the team better, but it's not an easy game for them. And as far as I know, they don't have a good record away to Newcastle. So better to stay out of this one if you're on a free hit.
Maran, any other team you would like to pick out? चाहे goals की बात करो या clean sheet की बात करो in this week?
Yeah, again Crystal Palace. Although they have leads away, I have not seen Palace having a 1.23 odds. that's way too less. Maybe it's because of the absence of Munoz, Sar going to AFCON, right? Obviously उनकी टीम पूरी बिल्कुल खत्म हो रखी है. Maybe it's because of that, but that's a little surprising in the sense that they almost have the same odds, 1.23 and 1.21. So, and although Leeds are
अवे
scoring,
में
but
कहाँ मारती है पैलेस गोल्स, लाइक इवन लुक
हाँ
एट
नहीं मारती, but
Burnley
still
and
थोड़ा सा
Wolves
low है.
and all,
I
they
think the
score
odds
like
are on the
1-2
low.
goals.
I think all the odds are on a lower side थोड़ा सा, except the City one. मुझे personally ऐसा लग रहा है कि हो सकता था कि काफी टीम्स के थोड़े से और इंक्रीज होते तो it would not have mind me. But हाँ, I think I don't think I have anything else to add. Yeah, it looks
Okay,
everything is
then
covered.
I think we shall move to our teams, and this is what the people came for, Manan, to look at Bhatia Saab's free hit team, and here it is in all its magnificent glory.
Rakshit,
Bhatia Saab, take
sorry,
it away.
Bhatia साहब start करें उससे पहले. Although Rakshit, we have seen a lot of series and all, right, and we see a lot of artwork. Real में भी थोड़ा artwork देखा है. This is just too good of a free hit team, man. मतलब I can't. बहुत कम बार होता है जहाँ पे you and me are like just thinking कि what this team is missing, and we were like कि it's a 100 on 100 team. मतलब I don't know what to. And the picks that he's went for, it just makes sense in a way that Bhatia Saab will pick and they just turn good, sort of like, right? So, Bhatia Saab, sorry, go on, like just describe your
But
thing.
one last point, I totally agree with you. It's this feeling is like you go into an art museum and you look at a painting and you start
Yeah,
crying because it's so damn good.
yeah.
This is how I feel about it. So बीच
And
बीच
you
में
don't know
कैमरा
how
बंद
it's
करूंगा मतलब मैं रो
created,
रहा
but
हूँ.
it's so good.
I'm crying right
You
now.
don't know, yeah, you don't know how
Sorry
it's
guys,
created, but
just
it's
wiping
so
off my
good.
tears here. Yeah, I'm
You
back.
need
Yeah.
tissues? Okay. Go on,
सर
Bhatia Saab.
बिफोर वी टॉक अबाउट दिस मास्टरपीस लाइक यू सेड, मैं नए दर्शकों को बताना चाहूंगा कि ये नई बात नहीं है, हर हफ्ते बकचोदी होती है. सो इफ यू आर सीइंग दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, डोंट ब्लडी गेट सरप्राइज्ड. दिस इज व्हाट most people come and watch this for some banter, for some stupidity. This is what we do. So
No, but wait.
elitist.
Sorry.
You're talking to the
Sorry.
millions of other viewers, right?
Wait.
जो इस week
Every
आए हैं,
week,
right?
yes, we discuss this. Every week, there's an artwork that Bhatia Saab show करते हैं उनकी टीम के साथ, but it just gets better, and that's the thing. That's the artist that we are talking about, Rahul Picasso Bhatia. Like that's the artwork that every
That's the worst
week,
one so far, man.
every week it just gets on better, and हर हफ्ते आप सोचते हो कि इससे बेटर कैसे हो सकता है, इससे बेटर कैसे हो सकता है, but he just somehow does it. Yeah, sorry.
Sorry guys, camera बंद है because I'm crying, tears.
Yeah. You
सर
need
आप
a
बंदी
tissues?
रखो, बेटर लगते हो सर.
Do you need tissues, Rakshit? Yeah, go on, Bhatia साहब.
फ्री टीम में 5 मिनट में बनाई है, काफी बेसिक है मेरे हिसाब से. इग्नोर व्हाट Manan and Rakshit are saying because you know how they are. Haaland, Thiago, Haaland captain, Saka, Foden, Semenyo, Rogers, Tavernier. Idea is to target Burnley. तो Semenyo, Tavernier are picks. मेरे हिसाब से it's a good fixture for Villa. That's why I have 2 Villa picks in Cash and Rogers. Haaland and Foden pick themselves. Saka, I'm still debating. I can potentially drop him for a better pick if I find any. Yeah, get another Arsenal defender. My position or my main concern is, would you triple up on a City attack? That's the first question. Like drop O'Reilly, get Shirky there somehow. I don't know who I'll drop. I'll probably drop one of Saka or Rogers. And is there any obvious pick that I'm missing?
I don't think you go triple at City attack. First of all, मुझे ऐसा लगता है थोड़ा सा overkill होगा, and also because थोड़े से minutes अभी भी चरकी के manage हो रहे हैं. With he gets sometimes 70, he gets sometimes he also gets bench sometimes. I don't know if इसमें bench होगा, but midweek fixtures है, schedule बहुत वैसा सा हो रहा है, and I just feel a lot
That's
of the
Carabao
teams.
Cup, right? He's not going to play there.
Yeah, he's not gonna play there. I'm just saying आगे भी fixtures वापस थोड़ा, there's a fixture crunch coming, right? So मेरे हिसाब से I think you have the best 3 City picks, and I know for a fact, I know कि normal teams के बाद भी यही 3 है, तो you might feel like, you know, upside and all, but I just feel you should just get the best 3. And in my opinion, Nico Riley, he has been so good. I think obviously City की clean sheet last week थोड़ी lucky थी, but he's someone जो 90 minutes में से 30 minutes he's in and around the box, and that is the sort of defender he is, and he can get you a genuine attacking return in any sort of match. So I, again, answering the 3 City question, I think you have the ideal 3 City.
या
Dude,
आई थिंक अगर आपको थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट भी करना है तो मैं डिफेंडर के साथ ही करूंगा. अगर आपको ओराइली की जगह लेट्स से नूनेस जाना है या फिर you want to go for a Guardiola or someone, that's about it. Baki,
but you
I
would
would
also
get in
not
a
triple
I
up
would
on the
get in a
attack.
defender. No, because you look at the options in midfield, you have better options as compared to defensive options this week, anyways. And yeah, मुझे लगता है कि attacking returns आ सकते हैं defender से City के इस week, anyways.
Yeah, O'Reilly is pretty attacking और
या
काफी
डिफेंस में तो
chances
आप
मिलते हैं
देख ही
उसे.
रहे हो हर वीक क्लीन शीट प्रिडिक्ट करना इतना मुश्किल हो गया किसी भी टीम से कि यू कांट रियली प्रिडिक्ट कि इस मैच पे इसकी क्लीन शीट आएगी या नहीं आएगी, तो यू कैन गो प्रॉब्ली गो फॉर अटैकिंग रिटर्न्स.
Yeah, and would you drop Thiago or Saka from this free hit and get better picks?
Wolves are the worst team in the league. They have 2 points. I know थोड़े
Yeah.
signs दिखाए हैं उन्होंने अभी etc
Brentford are pretty
but
bad the last 3 games.
आई नो भाटिया साहब, बट 2 पॉइंट है वुल्स के, और मतलब आर्सेनल अवे जाके दे वुड एनीवे सिट इन अ लो ब्लॉक, राइट? मतलब दे हैड नो इंटेंशन ऑफ लाइक गोइंग फॉर इट. अब आप यूनाइटेड का मैच देख लो, दे वर एट होम, दे वर एब्सोल्युटली गोइंग फॉर इट एंड दे गॉट लाइक स्मैश्ड. तो ब्रेंटफोर्ड एट होम अगर आप टारगेट नहीं करोगे फॉर अ विन तो क्या मैच होगा? दे विल बी ओपन, दे विल गेट स्पेसेस. सो आई वुड एटलीस्ट हैव वन ब्रेंटफोर्ड अटैकर इफ नॉट 2,
Yeah.
राइट? बिकॉज मुझे लगता है अभी भी कि ब्रेंटफोर्ड 2 तो मारेगी इस मैच में.
Yeah, fair, I think.
They have a horrendous defensive record at home. Horrendous. Yeah. So the question you should have is कि 2 लेने हैं, 1 लेना है.
I agree.
So
Let-
I considered Sade as well, but I don't really have any space. Like Foden, Semenyo, Tavernier are mostly locked for me. So it's either Rodgers or Saka, and I'm not sure Sade is a better pick than either of them. That is the thing.
Yeah, that is what I was thinking. Ki if you Sade is a good pick again, but I don't
But
think he's a
किसकी
better
जगह
pick
लो?
than Saka and Rodgers. Exactly. But I have a
Probably
question to.
probably
I
Saka
have
if you want to
Saka.
like go all in. I agree with you about
Yeah.
Everton की वो गंदा वाला लो ब्लॉक लेके आएंगे, बट हाँ साका के पास वो टूल्स हैं जो अनलॉक कर सकता है. बट
And
शाडे
he's
आई
been
थिंक
playing better. He's been playing better the
हाँ, he
last
has
few
He's
weeks.
been getting.
Saka.
Yeah.
So he's been playing better. So Saka, I think,
सेफ जाना है तो साका जाओ. या
safer pick है. वैसे भी मेरे को इस लास्ट 3 हफ्ते में फ्री हिट पे कितना कोई अपसाइड नहीं दिख रहा है. As long as I manage a green arrow, that'll be a good result because काफी template draft है मेरे हिसाब से. Like most of us will have 5 or 6 players from this. Triple Arsenal, couple of Arsenal defenders as well. Thiago सबके पास है, so it's not a very differential team.
या
So it's just about अगर आप Villa back कर रहे हो, Bournemouth back कर रहे हो, if they perform or not.
Manan, would you play like a Senesi over a Cash?
That's
example.
what I was about to say. That I'd personally, again, I know कि you are a United fan, and मेरे को ऐसा लगता है you have just overthink the situation with the Ahmad and Mbeumo. I still feel Villa United can score because they have been the best goal scoring team, top 3 I think, aside
Second
City,
highest goal
Bournemouth.
scoring team after Man City this season.
Yeah, exactly right. So मुझे personally ऐसा लगता है they can still find a way, and also Villa will not play for a draw at their home. They'll also come and transition.
Villa will
पे-
thrash United. They don't have to
I
play.
agree. They'll win. But I just feel United can score, and that is where I like Senesi more against Burnley. Again,
I think
defend-
Burnley will score, and I feel Cash ka attacking threat is better than Chelsea for this game.
That is fair. It's just Burnley ke against me defenders are getting defcons. So it's just, let's say if you include a defcon and a, I get it. I get cash appeal. Okay, मैं भी free hit पे गया था cash लेके, and again बहुत difference नहीं है. But that is the only thing, because आपकी इतनी अच्छी team है. I'm trying to find out places, obviously कि मैं आपको suggest कर सकूँ, but that's the only art work थोड़ा जहाँ मैं थोड़ा color वगैरह थोड़ा सा change करना.
Art is subjective anyway, so
Yeah, exactly. You can also try like punt लेना है तो Truffert, Alex Jimenez, who got an assist last night also.
yeah, I
They are
honestly don't
attacking
like Bournemouth
fullbacks.
defender for this week because I don't expect a clean sheet.
Yeah.
I'm open to removing Cash अगर कोई better.
Cash is a fine
better
pick, by
होता.
the way.
Yeah,
He's a
it's
fine pick at home. I
I'm
think he has
not-
genuinely got goal
yeah.
scoring threat.
And I don't like Raya as well, but I can't find a better goalkeeper जो मुझे floor दे for a clean sheet because I think genuinely Arsenal have a very good shot of a clean sheet. तो
Fair
अगर
enough,
Gabriel fit आ रहा है, कुछ आ रहा है, तो I might have to reshuffle to fit him in. Maybe drop Timber or maybe get a second Arsenal defender dropping Raya. That might be tricky, but Wobrugen है यार, but I expect Sunderland to score as well. So I don't really know which keeper to get. Maybe Martinez, but आप बोल रहे हो United score करेगी. So
No, I think
It-
Raya
it's
is
small
the
point.
best keeper.
एक small point on the Arsenal defender. You have Timber, which is the safe one. I have owned Kala Fury and Manan also, and he removed him. I just kept him because मुझे लग रहा था कि मतलब मेरे लिए essential नहीं है उसे हटाना. But genuinely, how he has not scored in the last 5 weeks is a mystery because he has been getting into insane positions. मतलब बॉक्स में तो उसका बैठा ही रहता है पूरे टाइम. सेट पीस से ही इज अ थ्रेट. एंड मेरे को तो लग रहा था कि बस ड्यू है. वी गॉट वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड बिकॉज वुल्व्स एट होम है और वो सस्पेंड हो गया. बट अगर आपको लेट से एक डिफेंडर जाना है फॉर एग्जांपल ना आर्सेनल का, तो काला फ्यूरी इज आल्सो एन ऑप्शन यू शुड कंसीडर.
No,
एंड
I think Kala Fury is the
हैड हिज
best option.
10 डेज का रेस्ट मिल गया उसे. ठीक है. एंड ही इज गोना स्टार्ट दिस मैच फॉर श्योर. सो मुझे लगता है
I
जेन्युइनली कि
actually-
काला फ्यूरी इज समवन यू शुड कंसीडर.
Another option that I had was Saka and O'Reilly ke badle Shorky and Calafiori. So these are my other two picks, but I think I can get Calafiori for Timber. That's something to consider. That's a good shout as well. But agar
What
Gabriel
about
fit hai to-
what about let's say going for a Kala Fiori Emi Martinez combo? United shot on target लेती है और
I
saves मिलते हैं उसे
really
भी.
want to get cash. I really want to get cash. I feeling है मुझे उसके अच्छे returns की. Could be a one pointer because Defcon तो देता नहीं है, but actually that will be a good shout, but just cash की feel है.
50-50 call है भाटी साहब ये. Just 50-50 calls yeah.
Just one
But
more
fair enough.
one more question Bhatia साहब is, are you little tempted by Ekitike? I know उसके minutes
No.
थोड़े 60-70
वही पूछा. I can get him for let's say Saka
Saka.
or Thiago.
Yeah, that's what I was also thinking कि probably if you want to go
Is
थोड़ा
it
all in,
recency bias?
it
Manan,
might be,
you
but
pointed
he's
out
good all
you
season.
pointed
Yes, he's
out
good all- yeah.
you pointed out how forwards don't do well against Tottenham.
Yeah, that's the truth. That's so
But
again.
Isak भी तो है
just for-
picture में ना. He's not ruled out, right?
Yeah,
He's gonna
not.
start both now. क्योंकि अब he's gonna play that formation जो उसने
Diamond.
इंटर के अगेंस्ट खिलाई थी.
Diamond खेलता
With a diamond and 2 up top. Salah जा चुका है. So most likely he's gonna play both now. So how will
And
it?
who comes off first? Isak gets up first, likely.
Probably,
Usually
but
वो एक ही
Ekitike,
के लिए
और
होते हैं, but
Chiesa.
यार
Isak
Ekitike
probably, yeah.
thrived in the last match because Isak नहीं था.
Hmm.
Because they were playing one up top. अब I don't know उनका बहुत वही तो पूरे dynamics ही पूरे अलग है लिवरपूल के हर मैच.
Yeah.
And that game is hard to predict, right? Spurs
Yeah,
को आप predict
yeah.
नहीं कर सकते लिवरपूल ने. I think Saka is like a safe option. शायद एक आध assist मिल जाए. 6-7 points floor है.
Penalties पे
That way I
है.
think Saka.
Right,
Penalties पे
Saka's on
है.
penalties.
Set pieces पे है यार.
Defcons देगा आपको guaranteed. वो आने हैं. एक assist पे 3 bonus देता है. You don't get these things.
Like
with
I can
Saka.
get Ekitike, but for Thiago and not for Saka. I think.
No, I think it's fine. I think probably that's a game. That's a game
बहुत ही
that's very
boring free
difficult to
team है.
call.
मतलब
नहीं
I
बढ़िया
remember
team
the
है भाई.
fate that we had.
Boring ही season template.
I love
वही
the
होता है जो
Tavernier
होता है.
Semenyo double up. If I'm being honest, I love that because Semenyo बहुत लोग निकाल चुके हैं और Tavernier तो कोई नहीं ला रहा है. People are getting Harry Wilson. He's a fine pick. मुझे लगता है अच्छा मैच है, but this is the match to target. I think Burnley वाला.
No, ekdam I agree with that. When I say boring free hit, I remember the one that we had a couple of years back. Palace game week 33 double or triple Palace attack. जो मजा आया था उसमें. वो fun नहीं है free hit में.
Oli से Mateta ऐसे
Oli से Mateta ऐसे was
That
epic.
was
That was
insane.
फाड़ दिया
That was
था भाई.
दो तीन सीजन पहले था वो थे. That was a free hit. ये सब तो मतलब अपसाइड नहीं दिख रहा है इतना. और साका फोर्डन ऐसे पिक. फोर्डन तो चलो ठीक है अच्छा पिक है. साका इज लाइक क्या बोलते हैं टेम्पलेट पिक. लो सेफ्टी पिक है वैसे. टिम्बर भी सेफ्टी पिक है. सो अपसाइड नहीं है इतना बट डाउनसाइड भी इतना नहीं लग रहा है मुझे.
Yeah, it's fine I think.
Rakshit, sorry,
Manan,
before we
anything on the
before we-
bench? Van Heek, Calvert-Lewin.
Sorry, Rakshit, before we go on, I have been thinking about this looking at this masterpiece. I've been thinking how many points he's gonna get, and I'm gonna ask you right before before all the bench questions and everything. Don't you feel it's like a at least a 120?
120 मेरे को लगा 500 के ऊपर बोलोगे यार. बहुत
नहीं हम रियलिस्टिक हो रहे हैं ब्रो. आपको लग रहा है हम चढ़ा रियलिस्टिकली 120.
आप और रियलिस्टिक
100 पॉइंट तो आ रहे हैं भाई. 100 पॉइंट तो आ रहे हैं.
तो अगर इस फीट में 100 आ रहे हैं तो आप लोग के 120 आ रहे हैं.
मेरी रैंक वहां लिखी है नीचे देखो आप. 3.8 मिलियन.
सर
तो
मेरी
आप
रैंक
लोग
आपसे
मत बोलो.
जरा ही
मनन
ऊपर है.
चिप्पर बोलो. मनन चिप्पर बोलो आप.
One last question before we move on. Rogers निकाल के कोई और?
भाटिया साहब कल
What
आई
is-
वाज कंसिडरिंग रॉजर्स एंड फिक्स्ड. एक तो ना मॉडल्स विल नेवर सजेस्ट रॉजर्स, राइट? बिकॉज नेक्स्ट 3 अगर आप देखोगे, यूनाइटेड, चेल्सी एंड आर्सेनल है, ठीक है? एंड ही इज समवन हु विल कीप टिकिंग अलोंग, ही इज समवन हु डिफाई द ऑड्स every week, right? Because he's that sort of player. And जैसे मनन ने कहा था ना कि you get those reliable players who play every minute in this sort of a run. So Rodgers is a good example of that. United का defense is pathetic. जैसे ही कैसेमीरो को वो येलो कार्ड मिला ना और सस्पेंडेड, उसने बताया कि सस्पेंडेड, इंस्टेंटली मैं रॉजर्स ले अपनी टीम में. क्योंकि कैसेमीरो के बिना जब उगाटे टीम में आएगा ब्रूनो के साथ, और जहां पे खेलता है रॉजर्स इन दैट पोजीशन, द होल, दिस इज मतलब टेलर मेड फॉर
I'm telling you,
Rodgers,
I feel I need one more Villa player. I don't know where and who to get.
right?
United is going to get
Ollie
destroyed this
Watkins.
game.
Ollie
I
Watkins.
saw this coming 2 weeks back. ये हफ्ते Villa players किसी के पास नहीं होंगे. That is the only
Yeah.
edge for this free hit. But if
Yeah.
it clicks or not clicks, पता नहीं. And Casemiro is like another big player that United are missing. Ugarte is absolutely
मतलब
rubbish.
यूनाइटेड फैंस को पता है कैसेमीरो के बिना यूनाइटेड का क्या हाल होता है. जो भी
And
आप
trust me,
क्रिटिसाइज कर लो,
it is, United का जो attack है, it will not function without Mboma. If it does, if Villa lose this game and United win, I'll be the happiest. I don't care about my free hit, but it will not happen.
yeah, मतलब again they are third in they're third in the league. They are currently in the fucking title race, and
They're
they
a
are
very good
insane
team.
at home. They're insane
They're
at
a very,
home.
very good team. They're an underrated team still.
Yeah. I will decide whether we move on or not, and we shall move on now. This is this is your team, Manon.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a lot of background noise, so I'm just gonna.
क्या बन रहा है
Yeah,
खाने में, ये तो
sorry.
बताओ. क्या बन रहा है खाने में, सब जानना चाहते हैं.
थोड़ा सेम घर में बैठे हो. Anyway,
Sir, दो elite
again,
manager एक ही जगह से port कर रहे हैं.
My God, look at that insane midfield. Absolutely insane. Double Arsenal. Eze Hall's incoming.
did you
man.
include Eze in an insane
That
word?
midfield is
Absolutely.
better than my free hit midfield any bloody day.
Any which ways, I'm not gonna spend a lot of time. I have one free transfer. The problems are Eze, especially because he's not gonna. I'm not sure if he'll start or not. So the transfer I'm considering, I'll most likely roll with it. I'll just see if he plays, he plays. But one transfer I'm considering is Eze to either Semenyo or Szoboszlai if he's fit. That's the only transfer I'm thinking about. I'm not gonna mostly take a hit, and I'll obviously start Verbruggen over Dubravka. I think I forgot to change that one. Otherwise, yeah, not expecting a lot. I don't like Anderson. I don't like Van Dijk for this match. I don't like Eze. So yeah, but I might need a couple of your transfers to make
ले लो.
moves on my-
Anderson 1-0 with Defcons. Virgil van Dijk goal तो guaranteed है इस मैच में.
Thank you, sir, for the
और
blessing.
Eze मैंने टीम से निकाला है, so you know the drill. You know what's going to happen.
That's
Yeah.
why
But
he's
genuinely-
not taking a hit.
Yeah, but genuinely asking, do you think he starts this week? Eze?
No, I don't. I'm
And-
not expecting
and then,
it.
And then midweek में he has Palace in the Carabao Cup. बाकी सारे Carabao Cup अभी हैं, इस midweek हैं, but Arsenal Palace इसके बाद वाला है.
He will
And
start
I think he
Palace
may start
वाला
that match, and then उसके
will
next
start the
Premier League match में again doubt है करेगा. और that's my question, right? So just do you see the upside of getting let's say a Semenyo, for example?
Yeah, I am very tempted. I'm very tempted. Also, Semenyo, again, himself is a very good pick. Again, obviously, he has not delivered last में बहुत. And कल रात भी, if you see in a 4-4, that was just Rakshit, we were watching it together, and there was just this one moment. उसने एक shot लिया. पूरे match में he has done nothing. It's just that, but he's that sort of a player. He's that sort of a player. जो मैंने रक्षित को बेचा था ना, जब he wanted to bring him, तो मैंने यही बेचा था कि he looks so good. You know, he's full of confidence. One touch, one goal, right?
जिन्होंने स्टार्ट ऑफ द पॉड नहीं देखा था, इसीलिए हम कहते हैं मनन बहुत ही घटिया इंसान है. शायद एफपीएल मैनेजर अच्छा होगा, इंसान घटिया. This is the reason.
That's how you win.
किसी
शायद
pod में साबित किया.
I'm not gonna win
FPL
FPL,
manager
but
अच्छा हो. शायद FPL manager अच्छा हो.
But yeah, I think Szoboszlai is also someone I'm tempted by. As Rakshit mentioned, fixtures देख रहे थे, good run of 3 fixtures. So if he's fit, I might
He's on
go
4
there.
yellows, by the way.
Yeah, that Semenyo is also on
Yeah.
4 yellows.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so probably I'll go Tavernier there. I don't know. I've not yet decided on where I'll go. Yeah, from Eze.
Okay. Any temptation for, let's say, Foden captaincy or something?
Nah, I'm going
No?
Haaland. Yeah,
Okay, fine.
it's simple for me.
Okay. If it's okay, I'll move on to my team. I have made one transfer. I have removed Eze, got in Rogers in my team. I I wanted to get in a reliable player जो ticks along really well for the next 7-8 weeks. People are going to अभी भी ignore कर रहे हैं विला को because of the numbers, and they are continuing to defy numbers. XG numbers आप XGC numbers आप देख लो. He is that sort of player जो it's not a big surprise he's doing well because last season भी he was there. वर्ल्ड कप ईयर है, आई फील दैट इज समथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट. उसके स्पॉट पे सबसे ज्यादा स्क्रूटिनी है क्योंकि वहीं पे फोर्डन है, पाल्मर है, बेलिंगम है, राइट, एंड ही इज द फर्स्ट चॉइस रॉजर्स. सो मुझे लगता है एक एडिशनल मोटिवेशन है रॉजर्स का टू जस्ट कीप प्लेइंग वेल, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज अ ग्रेट मैच फॉर हिम विद कैसिमिरो सस्पेंडेड स्पेशली. एंड भाटिया साहब का फ्री हिट देख के मुझे थोड़ा और कॉन्फिडेंस मिला है कि हाँ चलो थोड़ा सा ठीक मूव है.
बट
genuinely
See, that's an elite manager जो इतनी बारीकी से दूसरों की टीम देख के एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज निकाल सकता है.
अब भाटिया साहब बढ़ा सकता है अपनी टीम से. But हाँ, Thiago है. I'm happy with Bowen for this match also. City, I don't think are defending really well, and Bowen again scored. He gets bonus when he scores. West Ham are a shit team, but again, your talisman hai. It's not about the teams, it's about the players, right? So Bowen is someone we all like, and I think he'll take along really well. Reliable asset, 90 minutes over this festive period. Dewsbury Hall got injured, so I'll remove him. मेरा वही था कि क्या लाऊं. I have like a budget of like 6.1, I think. So I was tempted by Wilson, but I think I'm going to go for Tavernier. कल ही बात हो रही थी. I think he's looked really good. मैं थोड़े उसके stats पे भी गया था, and he's taking set pieces. He may be on penalties जब Kluivert नहीं है pitch पे. It'll be him or Semenyo. He is someone जिसके I think minutes have been pretty assured this season also. एक ही मैच इसने स्टार्ट नहीं किया था जिसमें वो बोर्नमथ ने मिडवीक रोटेशन किया था अगेंस्ट एवर्टन. सो उस मैच के अलावा आई थिंक हर मैच में ही हैज प्लेड गुड मिनट्स, एंड मुझे उसका आई टेस्ट काफी सही लगा कल. एटलीस्ट आई थिंक इज अ गुड प्लेयर. फ्री किक्स से मुझे लगता है एज ऑफ द बॉक्स इज गुड. आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड मैच फॉर हिम. ब्रेंटफोर्ड उसके बाद ब्रेंटफोर्ड अवे है अगला मैच, सो आई थिंक दैट्स आल्सो गुड मैच फॉर हिम बिकॉज ब्रेंटफोर्ड वो प्रीटी बैड अगेंस्ट लीड्स. So as a 2, अगर आप देखो he's a pretty decent option for like a 5.5 player. That's all. So I can play Xhaka also at Brighton away, but मुझे लगता है कि this Burnley fixture is too good. Next two fixtures are too good, especially this Burnley match. So Tavernier is someone I'm considering for my team. I'm happy to own double Arsenal defense still. Calafiori, I held him, so hopefully he starts and थोड़ा सा reward दे. बाकी तो same ही है. Vicario, वाइल्ड कार्ड पे क्या रैंडम कुछ दे दे, अदरवाइज कुछ ज्यादा उम्मीद है नहीं. would you guys play like a Livramento over, let's say, a Dewsbury Hall, or go 4-3-3 for example?
I would, and you can actually consider if you don't want a Newcastle defender, you can see someone for the medium term and play 4-3-3 also, because कितना upside मिल रहा है आपको 5 million के midfielder में. And honestly, if you want Tavernier, you can even bench Bowen this week. I'm not sure you have to play Bowen this week. हाँ, कितना भी बोलो City दी की है, but West Ham बहुत attack नहीं करती है. In such a game, Nuno park करेगा. So you'll be lucky to get something out of Bowen. Class player है for other fixtures, definitely. Very good pick, but not necessarily this week.
I disagree. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि I'd start Bowen. I'd personally start Bowen. I was watching that City match last week, and as an O'Reilly owner, I was shocked and surprised कि उन्होंने clean sheet रखी थी. Bowen will get chance. Again, it's obviously on him if he converts it, but I think he'll West Ham definitely will have chances. And again, with Nuno, we know कि अगर वो sit back करते हैं तो वो counter पे और अच्छा खेलते हैं. And that is where I feel like an outlet like Bowen will be a better option actually while sitting back and going on counter.
And आपने बात करी O'Reilly आधे से ज़्यादा मैच
आगे ही रहता है,
ऑपोजिशन बॉक्स में होता है. दैट मींस वो स्पेस वहीं पे वो ऑपरेट करता है, राइट?
Yeah.
Bowen, I'm going to play him because he's just too good a player.
Then
to bench in any
you have another free transfer, right?
This is another free.
Then just roll that, play Livramento instead of Dewsbury.
Yeah.
Unless you
tempted
want
by
to
Tavernier
punt
though. Yeah.
Upside है. ये वाला
Tavernier,
fixture मुझे
I'm gonna
लगा upside है.
या आई सी की है इसलिए, एंड स्क्वाड स्ट्रक्चर भी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी ठीक है 5.5 मिड लाना, सो इट लीव सम बजट फॉर मी फ्यूचर में भी। क्लीन वैसे भी ना अगर आप देखो ये डेफकॉन्स कम हो गए हैं, क्लीन शीट्स कम हो गई हैं। अगर आप देखो कौन से डिफेंडर अच्छा कर रहे हैं, मोस्टली वो अटैकिंग रिटर्न्स वाले ही अच्छा कर रहे हैं। तो मेरे को कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा उम्मीद नहीं है लिवरामेंटो से, डेफकॉन की भी और अटैकिंग रिटर्न की भी इन दिस मैच अगेंस्ट चेल्सी। कुछ भी बोल लो आप, चेल्सी आर अ गुड डिफेंस, राइट? सो या
I think clean sheet
बधाई
has
भाटिया
a
साहब
good-
फॉर योर बधाई फॉर योर चालुवा क्लीन शीट इन एडवांस बाय द वे, एंड डेफकॉन्स एंड बोनस।
not playing it, but ठीक है.
ओह डैम, फिर नहीं आएगी क्या?
फिर नहीं आएगी
चलो
100%।
एग्जैक्टली, फिट नहीं आनी। लिवरामेंटो गोल आएगा। दोस्तों टेलीग्राम चैनल फॉलो करो हमारा FPL गपशप का। वहाँ पे हम मनन सर को जो लीक्स मिलते हैं वो पोस्ट करते हैं, बैंटर करते हैं, चिल करते हैं बेसिकली। सो लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड पिन कमेंट एज वेल। जाने से पहले मेक श्योर लाइक कम करते हो यार, लाइक करो। भाटिया साहब के लिए लाइक करो यार,
पता नहीं
भाटिया
क्या
साहब के
जाते
लिए
हैं लोगों
लाइक
का भाई।
करो।
हाँ
करो
लाइक
दोस्तों,
करो
करो।
भाई।
इतना
और
banter
स्पेशली
आपको कौन से
बिकॉज
pod में मिलता है यार?
especially because Bhatia Saab is going away for a few days and he will not be on the pod
You
for
should
the
like
next 2 or
just
3
for
game
this
weeks.
fact. Yeah.
So Bhatia Saab के last
उसका भी
glance के लिए आप
like
लाइक कर सकते हो।
यार.
Bhatia Saab, I just hope you come back. हमने आपको बहुत piss off ना कर दिया, and I hope you come back and
I hope so.
grace the viewers with your elite presence.
And
We'll
artwork,
see.
Rakshit. And artwork.
And artwork.
Absolutely, absolutely. Bhatia Saab, any last words before you go on your little well-earned break, I would say.
From us. Yeah.
I would say like के साथ subscribe भी कर दो. That's my last word.
काम की बात. That's it. Guys, this
Absolutely.
guy, man.
No
this
bakwas.
guy. No, bhai.
Absolutely. And
He has to go back and do the next week ka artwork in advance. You guys don't understand.
Absolutely,
That's why he
absolutely.
just wants to.
so दोस्तों
just
अब
go.
लाइक कर रहा है,
नाम
भाटिया साहब ने
already
बोला
लिखा हुआ है.
अब आपने लाइक कर ही दिया है, सब्सक्राइब भी कर ही दिया है बिकॉज भाटिया साहब ने बोला है, राइट? तो कमेंट करके आप भाटिया साहब को बधाई भी दे दो उनके फ्री हिट सक्सेस के।
No, नहीं sir. We
और
want.
मनन कैसा
Rahul
इंसान है
Prakash
वो भी
Bhatia.
कमेंट से बताइए.
Rahul
वो तो
Prakash
बता।
Bhatia.
ओके ऑसम। चलो see you guys and all the best for game week 17 and I'll see you very soon. We'll see you very soon.
Yes, guys.
Except Bhatia साहब of course.
Good luck.
Yeah, bye.
Cheers.